Hello, my name is Michael, and today I will be doing a brief trading tutorial for you guys on Oduwa coin. I like this project very much for many reasons. I'm a math person. I have a finance education background, and for the simplicity reasons is that I really like this. Besides the team, the people, and the passion, is that this project actually has a chance because, as you can see, there's 2,700 cryptocurrencies out there. You see that? And most of them saturated with the supply, amount of the supply. There's hundreds and billions of coins in their supply. So it's very hard to create that demand when there's overly saturated amount of supply. Okay, maybe early on, the market was able to handle that, like with Ripple or all the early adapters. But now that there's 2,700 projects, which most of them are on Ethereum platform, they don't have a chance. So just me personally, total supply is a big factor in this project. Okay, and of course it has its own native blockchain, which is really good. Can create its own rules to fit the community and to fit the market needs, which is really good. So pay attention when you're browsing. Look at the total supply. Look at the total supply. That's a big indicator of just based on the mathematical logic alone. The supply and demand is what's going to get the project really high up in value into the dollar, double digits dollars, within a couple of years. So just want to point that out, before why I like, why I like Oduwa coin. We'll be doing a trading scenario today. Okay, so first things I like to do is, as if you're gonna be trading, first thing you want to do is, for those of you that never done this before, first thing you kind of do is click on the markets like so, and you kind of look for the lowest price. Okay, all right. So Crex24 has a $16,000 volume, which I love. It's very active. So we're kind of go to that market, and it's about 10 cents, so it's like pretty low. So we can go here and kind of click on this pair like so. And I'm already registered with Crex, and my account is right here, all popped up. So let me just dive into it for you. Okay, here's my account. I gotta buy and sell. Okay, here are the orders. Okay, so what you want to look for is sell and buy. The lowest price the market is offering right now is 11.25 cents, basically. Okay, all right. So this is about, Bitcoin's about $10,000. So this is about 11 cents. Once the API reflects, you'll see it's about 11 cents there. And the highest bid is about 10 cents. All right. So it's about 10 cents. So this is what the price we see reflect, 10.6 cents. That was the bid. It always picks up the lowest price or last selling price. There it is. All right. So let's say, okay, so 11.25 cents. Okay, so you know what? I'm gonna say, okay, you want 11.25 cents. You know what? I like the project, but I don't know enough about it, so I'm just gonna put in a counter bid offer for 10.75 cents. Okay. Okay. Here it is. Excuse me. So we're gonna click here on the bid. Just gonna put a bid for, let's say, 10 Oduwa coins, and I'm willing to pay, you know, $1 for the 10 coins, $1.75. Okay, I'm gonna put in buy. Order created successful. There it is. On this column, you know, I have 10 Oduwa coins at 10.75 cents. So I'm gonna be paying about $1.75 for 10 coins. Again, the lowest selling price is $11.25. So undercutting I'm undercutting each Oduwa coin by 1.5 cents because I'm putting in the bid. This is the market selling price, but I'm asking them 10.75 cents. Okay. All right. See, there you go. Somebody's bit me some more. They just offered fraction of a penny more. So, you'll just keep raising until the seller on this end gives in and he's satisfied. He says, you know what? That's fine. I'm so good. Or, I don't care. I want to sell it or whatever. So you just keep raising until you get a bid order. So I see that 10.8 cents. So and the bidders are kind of keep competing. They kind of keep raising the price up and up. So there's a lot of demand for Oduwa coin right now at this moment. A lot of activity going on. So the bidding prices kind of keep going up and up until the margin here is closed, right? 11.25 cents and 10.8 cents. Until eventually it'll be very very close. So in the bigger projects that have been around for a while, like you go on Binance and you look at Litecoin, for example, you'll see that the margin is very fractional, like it's down to a penny, and that's the type of margin the Oduwa coin will eventually achieve. As the project grows, it's just the nature of the beast. So there it is. Now we go down to my orders. So here are my orders. I have a bid at 10 coins at 10.5 cents, 10.75 cents, and 10.8 cents. So those are my 30 coins I put in an order for. And you just wait. If you're a daily trader, you just keep raising the bid until the seller gives in. But that's it. That's pretty simple. So this is your sell column. This is your buy, and you can switch it to fit your needs, your peripheral. Okay. So let's say we want to sell now. Okay. Let's say you bought your Oduwa coin and now you want to sell it. So you just go to the sell column, click here, and then this is my balance. So I'm just gonna go and sell, 5 Oduwa coin. I'm kind of underbid this guy because maybe I have an emergency. I need to sell my coin. And so I'm just going to go 11.1. I'm going to go, oops, well, here it is, 54.3. That's fine. So there it is, 11.21. I have 54.3 coins at 11.25. And as you can see, somebody's like, oh no. So they went to sell it a little lower. But that's how that would work. You just put in a sell order, okay? So I'm going to cancel this because I am not selling my Oduwa coin. And there you go, the price is back to 11.25 cents. Okay, so pretty simple. So this is again, this is a Crex 24 trading tutorial for you guys with Bitcoin and Duo pair. If you have Ethereum, you just go to the Ethereum pair right here and type in OWC. That's the market ticker, and same thing. Okay, and you can trade here too. So you can sell it here, and you can put a bid order. Okay, and that's it. This was your tutorial for Oduwa coin on Crex 24. Okay, I recommend any market that is active. Again, I'm hodling my coins long term because I know that with time the project just needs to get some steam and it just needs to get some time to grow, and I'm gonna hold it long term. But these are right now, these are your 6 active markets that are listed pooled here. There are 3 more markets that are up and coming. In fact, the listing announcements have been made on Telegram a little while back. So just to pay attention. A lot of good things are coming to Oduwa. See, there was the last listing on Vindex, back August 28th. So that's our newest market. And then there was another one a few days before that. So the project is growing. Okay. So just give it some time. Okay. So again, my name is Michael, and this was your tutorial for trading Oduwa coin on Crex 24 exchange. I'll see you next time.